You are watching Endeavor TV. My name is Balazs Gal and you can see here the Acer Aspire 1 522, and I already took out the battery because we're going to upgrade the RAM and the hard drive today. It's actually already upgraded by my colleague at carrypad.com. Thank you very much for lending me this device. And yeah, let's dive in right away. So all you need to do is take out the battery, as I already said, open up the device and take out the keyboard. It's not that easy. The best way is if you use just a credit card you don't need anymore. Go up in here between the plastic and this metal sheet and go in there, try to separate the two layers and then just lift it up. If that doesn't work, you may want to try a standard screwdriver, but yeah, it will mess up the plastic maybe a little bit, but if that's not too much of concern, just go ahead, it's easier with that. But if you don't want to see any scratches or anything, try it with a plastic card. So after you lifted this up, you will see, you don't have to take the keyboard out, but you can if you want to. You will see that there is a little guide here how to upgrade actually your RAM, how to take off the bottom lid. So all you need to do is just unscrew 4 screws which are marked with a 1. So it would be this one right here, that one, here one, and here right at the keyboard there's another one. After you took out the 4 screws, all you need to do is go into this hole with something hard and just push it down, and then you have already the access here to the bottom. Let me take this off, put back in the keyboard, and then you can see that we have access to the whole innards of this nice AMD Fusion netbook. It actually looks the same as the Intel version, the 255. This is the 522, and as I already said, it's already upgraded with 4GB DDR3 RAM, and we have an SSD built in right now. Usually there should be a 9.5mm height 250GB hard drive in here, but yeah, if you want to take out the RAM, all you need to do is push these little metal arms to the side, and then the RAM pops out right away. Just take it out and upgrade it to up to 4GB of DDR3 SODIMM RAM. So it must be notebook RAM, not desktop RAM. Take it out and then put it back in again with the RAM of your choice, and make sure that you won't see the golden legs here on the bottom anymore, and then just push it down till it clicks. So yeah, and with the hard drive, all you need to do is take out another screw, one tiny screw here, right here on the bottom. Take it out. There we go. And then you can just get it back here and lift it up, and there we go. We have an SSD built in right now. As I already said, it must be 9.5mm high maximum, so a terabyte hard drive won't fit, I guess. But yeah, this is easy. So if you want to put it back in again, just put it back in. Well, not just, as you can see, but there we go. And then just push it to the front and screw back in the screw again. I won't show you that right now, but all you need to do then is put back on the bottom cover. The Acer must be to the bottom, I think, and then just push, and then you are actually all done with inserting upgrading your RAM and hard drive. You need to lift up the keyboard another time, and one more time put back in the 4 screws and push down the keyboard to its rightful place, and you are done upgrading your your Acer Aspire 1 522 netbook. Thank you very much for watching Endeavor TV. My name is Balazs Gal. Till next time, tune in again.